So, teacher on spring break. See all the kids in blue shirts? That's a field trip.
Top of the morning to ya. Wednesday morning. A lovely, as you can see, bright, sunshiny Florida Wednesday morning. We are headed out for Old Town St. Augustine. We're going to check out all the history there. We're going to see the Pirate Museum. Yay! We're going to see Castillo de San Marcos and probably a few other things. So we're going to get in this vehicle here and we're going to head out. Let's go. Parked in the garage, we've made it. Let's hoof over to the Pirate Museum. Let's see if the tickets that I tried to order online last night had actually worked out. I'm not sure if I somehow accidentally ordered them and had them mailed to the house instead of arranging to have them waiting for us. We've got to see about that. One way or the other, we'll get in there. Outside the visitor center, they have the Spanish Empire's Death Star, improved upon later by Palpatine, of course. Okay, so this is mile 0 on the road to San Diego. And I presume this is supposed to be a globe.
You don't like for places to eat or drink around here. Which, no, that's great.
That's perfect. Yes,
That smells amazing.
That's got my name written on it. Arr, we be here.
I didn't do it.
A troublemaker. And away we go.
Mm-hmm.
Treasure hunting. Ooh, it's dark. Don't pirate.
That must be bad for digestion.
Ouch. I bet that hurt going down. Dead Man's Island. They let you shoot the guns.
Crack-a-boom. Big boom. Of course, this one you kind of shot in the hip.
Boom. I think this room is probably my favorite of the whole exhibit so far. Frustrated screenwriter that I am.
I couldn't find all the treasure. I'm missing one.
We got all the treasure we need.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Alright, let's get our treasure.
Okay, so that was the Pirate Museum. Interesting.
And of course, I love pirates being from North Carolina. I actually had to do some student teaching units on pirates, so that started my love of pirates. So it is a pretty cool activity for kids. They can actually fire off the cannon. A lot of interactive things, little treasure hunts, which I got all but one, which wasn't my fault. The door was open. So we got our own
The balloon.
balloon.
A piece of 8.
Yes. They are.
Now that's the definition of a good sport right there.
Oh, that's sweet.
Oh, that's lovely. The sunshine. Nope. There's your kill trip.
Oh, darn.
Can't escape.
No.
So this would be the courtyard. It's kind of obvious. So this was the original powder room from what they said, 1670 something?
Yes.
It was too damp for that purpose.
Kind of like a basement.
So I just kind of got used as a trash pit and dungeon for a few hundred more years before they sealed it off. And only recently, well, like within the last century, reopened and found all kind of animal bones and refuse in here when they opened it back up. So
Of course, then folklore decided the bones were remains of lovers that were trapped inside. It may have been a military job, but it had a beautiful view.
yes, it did. Okay, world traveling story. You go to all 4 corners of the globe and you stumble across a teenage guy wearing a t-shirt from your high school. So you ask him, hey, is that Edisto High School in Cordova, South Carolina? He says, yes. I go, hey, class of 85. He doesn't care. Not one iota he doesn't care.
You old fart
Yeah.
talking to a teenager. Well, there is a trolley, but we decided,
We decided to hoof it.
right, take it our own speed.
Use the Pat and Charlie travel service. Like most of these quaint, full of history and culture destinations, there's lots and lots of opportunities to get wasted.
And fat.
Food and drink everywhere,
Everywhere.
which is a good thing, don't get me wrong.
We don't mind eating or drinking on occasion.
Ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream.
Okay, that's good.
That's cool. Speaking of opportunities to get fat. Free cookies,
Free cookie or free
so much the better.
whatever it's extra, it's free. And a cookie. Already took about 5. Alright.
We'll go find now. I'm digging the sunshine.
I am too.
But see, I'm digging it because I'm not a vampire. Unlike my lovely bride.
I can't help it.
I married the undead.
A Scottish, English, Norwegian,
Honky.
white family genes. I fry like an egg on the sidewalk.
Well, that was several hours of Old Town, and we hardly scratched the surface when you stop and think about it. I mean, we saw the monument, of course, the Castillo de San Marcos, and we saw the Pirate Museum, and we walked around the square and saw some monuments and saw Flagler College and City Hall. But Lord, there's so much more than just that.
Yes, definitely. We didn't even go up and down all the different side streets of Old Town. We didn't see the colonial history exhibit, but each of those things tend to cost a little bit more money, so we're trying to be a little.
We did the free walk-in tours,
right?
We saw a lot of stuff. Don't get us wrong. I mean, it was neat seeing all the little shops and all the little vendors and hole in the wall places. I mean, all that's neat, and it was $3.99, she said. So
exactly.
So on to the next thing. So let's figure out what that is.
Yep.
The first application. What I was thinking.
Oh boy.
Well, it's like side by side because they're part of the same trip.
Mm-hmm.
All right, would you?
Sounds reasonable.
Okay.
That was easier than I thought.
Almost disappointing, huh?
There's usually a place.
Yeah, I was looking for a crease, but I'm not seeing one.
Yeah, I don't see one either.
Looks like
It's like
you got
opening a jar. I started it for you.
Okay. All right. Good enough for government work. And to commemorate not only our first multi-state RV trip, also our first meetup. Our first encounter with fellow YouTubers. Good time getting to know Chris and Lisa Wilson better. They also did not put creases in the back of their stickers. I'll get you for that, Chris.
Give me here.
I'll get this one. There we go. Ta-da! Make sure I get. There we go.
Yay.
Branded. First of many.
Yes.